In our last video, we looked at how to install Ubuntu 26.04 on Oracle VirtualBox, and in this video, we'll go a step further and see how to install VirtualBox Guest Additions on our Ubuntu 26.04 virtual machine. Now, Guest Additions is a suite of device drivers and utilities that enhance a VM's performance and integration with your physical computer, in this case, your host OS, and it offers numerous benefits, and these include full screen and dynamic resizing, better graphics and performance, shared clipboard, shared folders, improved mouse integration, as well as time synchronization between the VM and the host. Now with that brief introduction, let's jump right in and see how to install Guest Additions on our virtual machine. So this is where we left off last time after installing Ubuntu on Oracle VirtualBox. Now we are going to go ahead and install the Guest Additions to improve usability and performance of our virtual machine. So go ahead and launch your terminal. So the first step is to update the local package index, and to do so I'm going to run the command sudo apt update and hit enter. Then here I'm going to authenticate. So this looks good. So after refreshing the local package index, the next step is to install the build tools and kernel headers required by the Guest Additions package. So here I'm going to run the command sudo apt install. So here I'm going to install the build essential package. So build -essential, then dkms, and lastly I'll specify the Linux headers package. So Linux headers, like that. So I'm gonna hit enter. So this provides you with a summary of all the packages and dependencies that will be installed. So to proceed, simply type Y and hit enter. Now this will take a bit of time, so I'm going to fast forward this video. And that is complete. Now the next step is to insert the Guest Additions CD image. So to do so, head over to the menu bar here and select devices, then click on insert Guest Addition CD image. So this will automatically mount the CD image, and as you can see here, so I'm going to minimize this. As you can see here on the left dock, we have the VirtualBox CD image. Okay, so I'm going to right click and select new window. So these are the contents of the CD image. Okay, so we are going to run the Linux executable here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply open in a new terminal. So this is what we have. So I'm going to maximize this. So I'm going to use the ls command to list what we have currently. So these are the files inside the CD image. So this is what we are going to run. So this is the installer we are going to run. So to do so, simply run the command sudo, then $/, then I'm going to specify this. So you can just come here and simply copy this and paste it here. So I'm going to hit enter and authenticate. So now the Guest Additions have successfully been installed, and one way of knowing that is to just drag this VirtualBox window. So I'm going to drag this like this and drag it back again, and this time you can see we have scaled full screen, and this is confirmation that the installation was successful. Okay, so here I'm just going to clear this. So to enjoy all the other benefits of installing Guest Additions, what you're going to do, we are going to reboot the system, and once we get back in, we are going to test out a couple of features. So now I'm going to reboot the system, and at this point I'm going to pause the video and come back once we have logged in. So we are back on our system. So now I'm going to check the version of Guest Additions installed, and to do so I'm going to use the modinfo command. So I'm going to say modinfo, then vbox guest, then I'll pass this to the grep command and search for the version and hit enter. So this provides information about the VirtualBox Guest Additions installed. As you can see, this is version 7.2.8. Okay, now let's test out a few features that are provided by the guest editions. And just to illustrate, I'm going to test the shared clipboard feature. So what you need to do is to head over to devices. So click devices, come here to shared clipboard. By default, this is set to disabled. So you need to set it to bidirectional. So this will allow you to copy and paste information from the virtual machine and the host and vice versa. Okay, so let's test this out. So I'm going to head over to my browser here and I'm going to copy a few lines. So I'm going to copy these lines here, then head back to my virtual machine. So I'm going to open a text editor like this one here. So I'm going to see whether I can paste this. So I'm going to select paste. And as you can see, I have successfully pasted the content from the web browser on my host machine to the virtual machine. Okay, now let's test this the other way around. So I'm going to say, hey there, welcome to Ubuntu 26.04. So I'm going to copy this and paste it on Notepad on my host machine. So I'm going to copy that and come here on Notepad and paste this. And as you can see, this confirms that the shared clipboard feature is working as expected. Okay, so you can feel free to test out other features that are provided by the guest editions. So this concludes our video on how to install VirtualBox Guest Additions on our virtual machine. And I hope you found this insightful, and in case you did, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can continue receiving more of these tutorials. So from me, it's goodbye and see you in the next video.